Thrifty Nickel Want Ads Video Classifieds.
Beach RV Complete RV Repairs in Panama City Beach is a Better Business Bureau accredited repair facility. We are the only full-service RV repair facility in Northwest Florida, specializing in RV repairs from major collision to routine maintenance. Gas and diesel, motorhomes and buses, you name it, we can repair it. Specializing in insurance repairs, collision, fire, storm, vandalism, full-time appraiser on site. We are your GMAC Gold Medal Collision Center, your Florida RV Trade Association Certified Service Center, and Road America Good Sam's Club service provider. Come see why our certified RV technicians, parts, and accessories have a 5-star rating only at Beach RV.